Don't grade manually. Instead, use this formula. Stop converting seconds like this. Instead, use this function. Stop moving data like this. Instead, try this. Is equal to the stack. Select required data. Close parenthesis, press Enter. Stop manually removing blank rows. Instead, try this solution. Select, press Ctrl-G, special, blanks, Ctrl-, select entire row. Excel trick in 30 seconds. Select data and go to conditional formatting. Select new rule, choose icon set. Choose style. In type, select number. Enter values 1 and 0.5. Use count if formula. Select the range and criteria as 1. Now enter value in the attendance field. Follow for more. Stop dragging dates like this. I caught my boss entering stock prices like this. I showed him better trick. Like and follow. Stop removing extra space like this. Instead, use trim function like this.
Follow for more.
Don't type everything. Instead, use this joint formula.